Hey, this is Dan from What You Should Do, the channel that's all about giving you tips for when you travel. Today, we're in San Jose, and this is what you should do if you want to grab a beer. Just south of the airport on Lincoln Avenue is Hoppas Brewery, and man do I love it. They have all the beers you might expect on tap, as well as a hard seltzer if you or anyone you're with are into that sort of thing. Of course, everything is made right on site, which is really cool. One of my favorites is the Blonde Ale. It's super light and refreshing, which is great in the California sun. In terms of the food, they have you covered with a food truck from a local restaurant, and I really love the sense of community that this brings. Of course, you could also bring your own food if you'd prefer. With a friendly staff as well as indoor and outdoor seating, you should definitely check out Hapas if you're in the area and looking for a place with a nice, chill atmosphere to grab a bite and a beer. But Hapas isn't the only great brewery in town. Camino Brewery on South 1st Street is another great spot just off the 280 freeway. They offer to-go beer, but they also have a great selection of draft staples. This is their Bohemian Pilsner, which has a great hoppy finish, but it's a little bit lighter than an IPA, so it's great if you're looking for a session beer. They also have some great creative brews like their German Maibach, dry hop lager, and of course a hazy IPA. They recently opened a massive covered beer garden so you could drink outside, but also keep out of the sun. The tables are large and spaced out appropriately so you can socially distance while you enjoy your beer. The beer here is great, but they also have some of the best street tacos I've ever had, complete with keto options, so you could feel better about the beer you're drinking. After all, your body is a temple. If thick IPAs are your thing, then you're going to want to head just up the road to Clandestine Brewing, and you'll know you're in the right spot when you see the mural on 2nd Street. I tried their Ode to Odin Juicy IPA, and it was amazing. It's brewed with Simca, Citra, and Amarillo hops, and they also include a Kveik yeast, which is used in farmhouse ales in Norway. They also offer growler and crowler fills if you want to take your beer to go. They have a great outdoor patio, so go ahead and stop at a local restaurant, grab some food to go, and bring it to Clandestine to have a great afternoon of having some beer in San Jose. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this, and check out the links in the description to all the breweries.